Hello and welcome to Lesson 2, Utilizing the Note tool in Seesaw. The learning objectives for this lesson will be to use the Note tool to create a text response to a prompt. We will be using an activity already set up in our Seesaw training class, which you have joined in the previous session. Go ahead and open up your app to your training site where it says activities. Click on there. You will look for the Note tool and we will look at the instructions. So show what you know in math. In writing, explain how the fractions in the picture are related. Use the Note tool to respond in writing. Go ahead and click on the activity. So take a look at your prompt. You have different fractions, 1/3, 1/2, 1/6. So we're pretending we are students. So how would we respond in text? Okay, how do you add a response? You would click add with the green plus sign. Go ahead and click. Hey, remember, we are practicing using our Note tool. So click on Note. Okay, so our prompt was 1/3, 1/6, and 1/2. The fractions, 1/2, 1/3, and 1/6 are related when we make them have the same denominator. Our least common factor between 2, 3, and 6 would be 6. We would need to convert always make sure you're checking your spelling, the 1/2 and 1/3 fractions by multiplying one half by 3/3 and 1/3 by 2/2. Can also be ordered from greatest to least. Okay, this is just an example of the text response. Remember, you are using the Note tool. So I was just showing you how we can use the keyboard to respond, but we can also record on top of this. So let's say we're recording. The fractions 1/2, 1/3, and 1/6 are related when we make them have the same denominator. By finding the least common denominator between 2, 3, and 6, we would find that the least common denominator is 6. We would need to convert the 1/2 fraction and the 1/3 fraction by multiplying them until we get the denominator of 6. If we wanted to add them or subtract them, this is a step that would be needed. Okay, go ahead and pause your recording. It gives the students a chance to stop and think about what they want to say. Or if you're done, then always, like always, click on the green check mark and it will ask you one more time to check your work so you can play. Or if you already checked your work, then go ahead and click on the green check mark and this will be posting to your journal, which is what the teachers would be getting in return from the students. So let's review one more time. If we want to use our note tool, we click on the green plus sign. We utilize the note tool by clicking on note. You can type by using keyboard. And we can also record. Ms. Martinez, check your recording and typing, and go ahead and click on your item to be uploaded.